The Lean Startup Introduction. The Lean Startup by Eric Ries presents a methodology for creating and managing successful startups. It focuses on rapid experimentation, customer feedback, and iterative product development to reduce the risk of failure. Instead of relying on traditional business planning, it encourages startups to innovate by testing assumptions and adjusting based on real-world feedback. Key concepts. 1. Build, measure, learn cycle. The fundamental principle of the Lean Startup method is the build, measure, learn cycle. It involves building a minimum viable product, MVP, quickly, measuring how it performs in the market, and then learning from the feedback to improve the product. The faster this cycle is repeated, the better the startup can evolve. 2. Minimum viable product, MVP. Rather than investing a lot of time and money into building a fully finished product, the idea is to create an MVP, a simplified version of the product that is good enough to test with real customers. This helps to gather early feedback without wasting resources on features that customers might not want. 3. Validated learning. Startups should focus on validated learning, which means using real-world experiments and customer feedback to test hypotheses. It's a process of learning what customers truly want, not what you think they need. The goal is to build a product that people actually want and are willing to pay for. 4. Innovation accounting. In traditional businesses, success is measured by financial performance. In a startup, however, innovation accounting helps track progress by measuring the impact of learning and experimentation. This involves using actionable metrics that help guide decisions and show progress, rather than relying on vanity metrics. 5. Pivot or persevere. Once enough data has been gathered, the startup needs to decide whether to pivot or persevere. A pivot means making a fundamental change to the product or business model based on customer feedback. Persevering means continuing on the current course if the data suggests the product is on the right track. 6. Continuous innovation. Startups should embrace continuous innovation. The process of creating new ideas, testing them, learning from them, and improving products should never stop. This iterative approach allows businesses to stay agile and adapt to changing customer needs and market conditions. Key takeaways. Fail fast, fail cheap. Startups should aim to fail early, but minimize the cost of failure by testing small, inexpensive ideas. Customer-centric approach. The product should evolve based on real customer feedback, not assumptions or intuition. Data-driven decisions. Rather than relying on guesswork, startups should use data to inform every decision, from product development to marketing. Iterative development. The Lean Startup method emphasizes quick, iterative cycles of development that help businesses avoid large-scale failures. This method enables startups to be more adaptive, efficient, and focused on creating products that meet actual customer needs, ultimately increasing their chances of success in the market. Get this audiobook for free with an Audible trial. Link in the description.